Show an incident that took place the same day at Para, Brazil. The helicopter appears to be a medevac Eurocopter, A-Star AS-350BA, a helicopter that is engaged in full flail mode while on the ground until it self-destructs. Earlier reports stated that there were 4 aboard for this ride, 2 pilots in the forward section, which nearly breaks free of the aircraft, plus 1 doctor and 1 flight nurse in the rear. The reports state that the aircraft initially suffered excessive vibration while still in the air, and that vibration developed into destructive ground resonance after the aircraft touched down. Ground resonance is a phenomenon that takes place on the ground. It is the result of an out-of-balance condition that can develop in the rotor system of even healthy helicopters. On the ground, the condition couples an asymmetric lift condition in the rotor with reactive forces from the aircraft's landing gear. The forces feed off each other until the aircraft literally shakes itself apart.
This frightening video gives us another look at Tuesday's helicopter crash in New York City. This news chopper was covering a shooting in Brooklyn and landed right in the middle of that story. A WNBC reporter and 2 pilots were on board when the News Channel 4 helicopter spun out of control. Another chopper from WABC just happened to be in that same area and caught the whole thing on tape. All 3 people managed to survive that crash and can be seen actually climbing out of the wreckage.